In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Kit. This is a quick but really important step anytime you're sending a newsletter, a launch email, or part of an automated sequence because it lets you see exactly what your subscribers will see before you hit send for real. We're going to walk through the fastest, most direct way to do this inside Kit, which you might remember was formerly called ConvertKit. The process is the same whether you're working on a one-off broadcast or an ongoing sequence, so once you learn it in one place, you'll be able to use it anywhere in your account. First, go ahead and open the email you're working on. If you're sending something like a weekly newsletter or a one-time announcement to your entire list, that will be a broadcast draft. If you're working on an automated series, like a welcome sequence or a course, then open the specific email inside that sequence. The key point here is that you must be inside the actual email editor, looking at the content you want to test. Once your draft is open, look toward the top right area of the editor for the preview button. This is usually represented by a small eye icon, and it's your way of seeing how the email will appear to a subscriber. Click that preview button, and Kit will open a preview window or pane so you can get an instant visual check before sending anything. Inside this preview view, you'll see an option labeled Send Test Email. This is what we're after. Click on Send Test Email, and Kit will prompt you to choose where that test should go. In the field that appears, enter the email address where you want to receive the test. For most people, that will be your own inbox, but you can also use a separate testing address if you like to keep things organized, or if you want to see how it looks in a different email client. Just make sure it's an address you actually have access to, so you can open the message a few seconds later. After you've typed in your email address, click the Send Test button. Kit will then send a copy of your draft email to that address. Give it a moment, then check your inbox and open the email to review how everything looks, from subject line and sender details to formatting, links, and images. That's all there is to it. By using this quick test email workflow each time, you can catch typos, broken links, or layout issues before your subscribers ever see them.